Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to renew the Device Management Service Token in Jamf Pro using Apple Business. From the Jamf Pro dashboard, navigate to Settings, Global, Automated Device Enrollment. Click Public Key in the top right. This automatically downloads our public key file. Once downloaded, open a new tab or browser window and navigate to Apple Business at business.apple.com. After logging in with your credentials, click Devices along the top and then click Management Services. Find and click on the name of your device management service, or MDM server, in the list. Click on the ellipsis, or three-dot menu bar, in the top right, and then click Edit. Click Replace Certificate, upload the public key file we previously downloaded, and then click Save. Once it's uploaded, click on the ellipsis again and click Download Token. A warning appears letting us know that downloading a new token will reset our existing one, which is okay, since we're in the process of uploading a new one. Click Download Token to confirm the download, and then go back to Jamf Pro. Click the name of the enrollment server you'd like to renew, and then click Edit in the bottom right corner. Click the Upload Server Token File button, then click Choose File and upload the service token file we just downloaded. Don't forget to click Save on the bottom right to keep the changes we just made, and that's it! We know the token was successfully renewed because the new expiration date is 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.